Welcome to another part of the ISM Exercise Set Macroeconomics, this time with a unit on prices and inflation. Let's have a look at the exercise. Here we have the typical shopping basket consists of the goods water, bread and books. The shares of the three goods develop as follows. And here we have the overview for 2 years. And the average cost for the three goods can be seen in the following table. And here we have for the 2 years changing prices for water, bread and books. Our task now, calculate the CPIs, base year 2017, and the inflation rate. So let's work through this step by step. So in the first part, we first copy the tables, then we consider ourselves with the cost of the representative basket of goods. So first, for each year, we calculate how expensive each of the two baskets are. So what we're doing here is basically for 2017, multiply the amount of water consumed with the price of water. Multiply the price of bread with the quantity of bread and the quantity of books with the price of books. Sum all of this up. So we get here total costs for the representative basket of goods for 17 of 148.5. The same thing we're going to do for 2018. So 11 times 0.7, that's for water. Then for bread, 24 times 1.15. And for books, 1 times 23.9. So basically again, quantity of water times price of water plus quantity of bread times price for bread, quantity of books times price for books. All of this summed up, giving us here for 2018 a value of 59.2. With this, we have the representative cost for the representative basket of goods. And then what we're going to do is set one of these baskets equal to 1 and calculate the other in relation to this. So here base year was 2017. So the consumer price index for 2017 is set equal to 1. Or in other words, we divide the cost of the representative basket of goods of 2017 by the cost of 2017. And this gives us 1 or 100%. Then for 2018, we're dividing the cost of representative basket of goods of 18 by the cost of 17. So here we divide the 59.2 by the 148.5, giving us in this context a consumer price index of 0.3987. Then we have already the first part. There's only one part left, and that's the inflation rate. For the inflation rate, I can just calculate the growth rate either of the costs or of the consumer prices. So in this case, it doesn't matter which of the two things I consider. If we do this here with the consumer prices, that's the easiest way to go. We can just have new value, so 0.3987 minus old value, 1, divided by old value, 1. So we get here an inflation rate of minus 0.6013, so of minus 60 point something %. So we actually have deflation, relatively severe deflation. But well, that's all there is to this exercise. So I hope you enjoyed listening to it. And if you want to see more of these types of exercises, feel free to visit the rest of the exercise set or have a view in the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.